Hey guys, today I'm going to show how to download Ansys free version, or else I can say Ansys free student products. There are three types of products that can be downloaded for free: Discovery Live Student, AIM Student, Ansys Student. So if you're like me, you can and you use Ansys Workbench a lot, you can just download Ansys Student. This is what I downloaded. Just click on it and go to download. Click on the download button, press agree and download, and it will be downloaded. It is already on my computer, so I'm not downloading it again. The installation steps are pretty simple. Just download it, right click, unzip it, right click on it, and install it in your computer. And as I said, it's already installed in my computer. As you can see, Ansys 19.0. I usually use Workbench 19. Hope this video was helpful to you. I'll post the link in the description. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.